I'm Chloe Crabtree from CelebrateAndDecorate.com, and you're watching Home Talk. I have a 15-inch smooth styrofoam wreath, and these are pretty sturdy. And I have this cute pencil cup that I want to put on here that it's not going to sit real secure even if I use hot glue. So I'm going to niche it out just a little bit with a knife. Let's see how this goes, because I'm not really sure about this. I have some 2.5-inch wide satin ribbon. This one happens to be wired, and I will like that for my bow. And again, using the low temp, and I'm gonna start on what I'm gonna call the back side of my wreath. I'm just going to put a little bit on there. I won't need it all the way around. I'll just secure it by wrapping it. And I'm just gonna glue that on just like so. And then I'm just gonna take this and wrap it around. It's best to keep it on the spool so you don't have to pull that all the way through. When you get to the end, just gonna do the same thing that we did at the beginning, and we're gonna put a little bit of glue right there, that hot glue, and we're just going to seal that right down there so that it is secure. Here are the spots where I cut into my wreath, and I'm gonna fill both of those little indentations with my hot glue. You could even move to high temp glue now because it will not melt the styrofoam through the ribbon. And I'm going to take my pencil cup and just set it right in there, nice and secure. Now I'm going to take some glue sticks, and I will tell you from experience, this is easier with another set of hands. But I have just some Scotch tape, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick 3 of these glue sticks together on a piece of Scotch tape. Yep, that's the hard part there. And wrap them up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take ribbon and attach these to our wreath. So I'm going to add just some satin green ribbon. There we go, and I'm gonna tie it really tight so that they do not come off, and then we're gonna finish it off with a sweet little, I'm gonna tie it in a knot first and then add a little bow. So yes, they are gonna have to be cut off. So this is gonna be something that's a cute decoration and also can be used. So see how cute that is? And I'm gonna go ahead and add these all around the wreath. So we'll go over here with one of them. I have this cute red and white gingham and ribbon, and I'm going to just feed it through the top of my crayons. I'm gonna do that. And obviously this is just what I chose to do. You could use larger or smaller boxes of crayons or things of markers, whatever you want to do. And I think I'm just gonna tie these right around the wreath, like so. So I have all 3 of my ribbons from my crayon boxes. I'm just going to take a pipe cleaner and connect them all together so they don't like spread out and hang out all over the wreaths and I guess I used a little more ribbon than I needed for those. So I'm going to go ahead and tie my bow for the top of my wreath. I think red and white gingham is a nice choice. If you don't know how to tie a bow by hand, there are a lot of different bow makers out there, or bow. I think that even I have a bow tutorial on Hometalk. There's lots of bow tying tutorials right here on Hometalk. I'm just going to secure my bow with a pipe cleaner, and then I'll attach it right to the top of my wreath. And that's the beauty of wired ribbon, is that you can fluff it after the fact. I can pull my little streamers wherever I want them to go. You can add pens, regular pencils. I have a bunch of colored pencils that I am going to add to the pencil cup. And now I have a couple of little pairs of scissors. My granddaughters are just in first and second grade. So it's little blunt-ended scissors that I'm going to add to our wreath. Got a little blue pair of scissors for a lefty. I was thinking of my granddaughter here with this pair, she's a lefty. And do the same thing. You're just gonna feed that right through. There we go, and I have one more pair of scissors to add. And I don't know a teacher who wouldn't be happy to have this hanging on their door or on their wall or bulletin board when school starts. So I hope you like this idea, and I will see you right here next time on Home Talk.